Saturn's rings span 170,000 miles across, wider than the distance from Earth to the Moon, but they're only about 30 feet thick. That's thinner than a football field is wide. If you shrunk Saturn's rings down to the width of a football field, they'd be thinner than a sheet of paper. Scientists still can't fully explain how something that massive stays that flat. The rings aren't solid. They're made of billions of separate chunks of ice and rock, some as small as dust, others as big as a house, all orbiting Saturn independently at thousands of miles per hour. Saturn is literally losing its rings right now. Ice is raining down onto the planet so fast that in about 100 million years, the rings could vanish completely. And here's what makes this even crazier. Dinosaurs never saw Saturn's rings. They likely formed less than 100 million years ago, meaning the rings are younger than the dinosaurs themselves. Which fact surprised you most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.